Hello together! In today's video I show you how to save a list output as a SAP Spool request and then output it as a PDF. A spool request is basically a document created for printing and stored temporarily. Output orders are then created from this buffer. That means the documents are sent to an output device and printed or downloaded. So let's start with the code. First, we need a variable for the print and archive parameters. I call it lsprint param of type params. And next, we read the print and archive parameters, click on pattern, and we call the function getPrintParameters. Then OK, and we see here a lot of exporting and importing parameters, but we only need the no dialog parameter. And we can delete the other parameters. And from the importing parameters, we need only the out parameters. Okay, so no dialog. I write here ABAP true. And here I pass my structure lsprintparams. And if we have valid print parameters, we can go on here. And now we need data for the SAP Spool. If I want to print an output from an report, I can write this like submit set output. This is only an example to SAP Spool. Spool parameters. Here I pass the structure lsprintparams without spool dynpro and return. So this is the example to output data from a report to the spool. In my example, I want to create a print, a site, and this works with new page, print on parameters. Here I pass my structure variable lsprintparams and no dialog. Then I write a title, my PDF document, for example. And next, I want to select some data from the database to create some data for my PDF document. So I write here, select star from SBFly into table, add data IT SBFly. Then I do a loop here, loop at IT SBFly into data ls SBFly. and then I end loop, and then I write some columns in my document with write lssb fly, for example, the char ID, next the con ID, and two more columns like city from and city to. Okay, and I close this with new page, print off, then commit work. Okay, this was the create data to spool, and I paste this here. This title belongs to this code, and the end if should at the end of my code. Okay. So next we create the data to, no, we have already done this. So let's delete this here. Next we convert the spool to the PDF. Next we want to download this, and for this we need two more variables. First, lv bin length, the length of the PDF of the X string. So this is of type integer. And the second variable is lv X string PDF of type X string. And then we call another function, and for this we click on pattern, and we call the function convert underscore ABAP spool job underscore to PDF. And here we need the spool ID, then the no dialog, then the PDF destination, and the parameter get size from format. We delete the other parameters, and importing we need the PDF byte count and the bin file. Okay, in my example I do not an exception handling, so I delete this here. Okay, so for the spool ID I type here conf tsp01 rq ident and SPO number NO. This is our current spool ID. Here I pass ABAP true, and PDF destination I type here X for X string, and get size from format is ABAP true. And here we need our two variables. First, lv bin length for the PDF byte count, and lv X string PDF for the bin file for the PDF. Okay. Here will be the PDF file created. So, and now we have to convert the X string to the solix. So here pass the variable X string PDF and the IT raw data I pass for the GUI download and the length of the variable. So next we need a file name, and I type here test.pdf. Okay, let's activate the code and run it. And we see here that the file has been downloaded. Test.pdf, and double click. And we see here the created PDF document with the data with a title and the data from the table SB fly. So if we don't want to have this header, it can also be suppressed. So we go back to the code. We can type here no title and no heading. So let's activate this again and run the code again. And let's open the PDF. And we see here no header anymore. That was the small example to create a PDF document from a spool. If you want to support me and my work, please comment on my videos, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. I would be happy if you click back on my next video. Thank you and see you soon.